Interpretation of love is very interesting to know. It is not that love, not similar to today's so-called love. The real love is something different from what is today being exercised in the name of love. In the name of love, today everywhere contract is being executed. You give something, I will give something. And something for something is consideration by both the parties in a contract under section 2D of Indian Contract Act 1872. For example, A promises to B that I will give you my phone for 10,000 rupees. And B further say on, okay, I am ready to purchase your phone for 10,000 rupees. Now here A is giving phone, B is giving 10,000 rupees. For A consideration is 10,000 rupees and for B consideration is phone. So this is what I gave you an example from Indian Contract Act of consideration under contract. In today's date, love is also being contracted. Actually, love is wrong word. Appropriate word would be contract. For a marriage, what people consider before marriage, what boys or girls family consider before marriage, what is the financial status of the counterpart, what is the religion of the counterpart of my girl or boy whatsoever, and what is the social status of my daughter's or son's counterpart, and so on. They consider so much things under before getting their child married, and they call it the love of marriage. Rather, I would say it the contract of marriage. In Islam, marriage is like a contract only. There is a price, dower price, that husband gives to the wife. That is like a contract only. And I must appreciate, at least Islam accepts that marriage is like a contract. But in today's society, people having very bad notion that marriage is love. Husband and wife both are exercising love. No, they both are exercising their contract. They both are performing their consideration, their compatible consideration. Love is something where there is no consideration. Love could be understood from Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was hanged by people. Even after that, Jesus Christ did not abhor the people, did not hate the people who were hanging him. Despite he was showing love, he was giving from his side unconditional love to the people. Not only to his followers, but also the people who are hanging him. In fact, whole world, everything, every living thing, he was giving unconditional love. The one who loves him as well as the one who hates him. And what is the notion of love today? The notion of love today is You respect me, then I will give you my love, and you give me my love, I will show you my respect. I will respect you. That is the notion in today's date, but in the time of Jesus Christ, the real love was given by him to the world. In fact, he also prayed to his Lord or God that forgive these people, because they couldn't able to understood me. Otherwise, they won't be hanging me. But they misunderstood me. That's why they are hanging me. Forgive them, my Lord. They are very innocent. They don't have adequate understanding, or they misunderstood me mistakenly. That's why they are hanging me. They are not at fault. It may be I who might be failed in understanding, explaining these people. So love is something unconditional, without any consideration, which Jesus Christ gave to the world. And today people think love is something for something. That is a contract, rather I would say, not love. So next time you introspect thyself, that whosoever you are paying respect, whosoever you are giving love, is it unconditional love or it is conditional love? Conditional love means you are getting something in return. For example, students pay respect to their teachers so that in future teachers may give those students good marks in exams. That's why they are paying respect to their teachers. This is one of the example I gave you. And a son is paying respect to his father because his father may buy him good stuff of his desire. So this is not a love, not a respect. This is something contract. You are giving something in return for something. The love is unconditional. There is nothing in return for love. That is known as love. Simple definition. So next time, be aware of the distinction between love and contract, or the so-called love.